Understanding the Purchasing Managers Index. Hello students, welcome to this initiative by Vajiram and Ravi. This week we quickly discuss the topic of Purchasing Managers Index or PMI for manufacturing sector in the backdrop of the February PMI data being released recently. What is PMI? PMI or the Purchasing Managers Index is an index of the country's manufacturing performance. Features of PMI. Publisher. PMI is published every month by IHS Markit, a private information and analytics agency. Lag. Manufacturing PMI report for any given month comes out without any delay, either on the last day of that month or on the first day of the next month. Data for PMI calculation. PMI is not based on actual manufacturing data. It is based on the data compiled from monthly survey of senior purchasing managers in around 400 manufacturing companies. From them, the survey collects data on whether there has been an increase, decrease or no change in variables like output, new orders, stocks of finished goods and employment in their company compared with the previous month. Only formal sector activity captured. PMI does not capture informal sector activity as it is based on survey data of formal enterprises. Reading the PMI data. PMI above 50 denotes expansion in business activity and anything below 50 denotes contraction. The farther a month's index is from 50, the greater is the expansion or contraction. Why is IIP data important? As it is released immediately at the end of the reference month, without any time lag, PMI acts as the earliest indicator of manufacturing activity in the economy. In comparison, the Index of Industrial Production is published with a lag of about 6 weeks. Some other indicators are only published at the end of the year. PMI data sets are used by governments, financial institutions and corporates for forecasting, analysis and planning. Thank you for joining us.